If you're still spending hours building floating shelves and wondering why they aren't selling as fast as they used to, you're not alone. The truth is, floating shelves have become one of the most saturated woodworking products on the market. Today, I'm going to show you 7 easy woodworking projects that customers are buying even faster, many of them easier to build, requiring less material, and offering excellent profit margins. Stick around until the end because the last project consistently outsells almost everything else at local craft fairs, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace. Yet very few woodworkers are making it. Most beginners believe that making money with woodworking is all about building beautiful furniture. In reality, it's about solving everyday problems people are willing to pay for. The projects that sell the fastest aren't always the most impressive. They're the ones that fit into people's homes, make life easier, or create an emotional connection. That's exactly why so many talented woodworkers struggle to make sales. They spend days building a masterpiece when customers are looking for something simple, affordable, and useful. The good news is that you don't need a fully equipped workshop or years of experience to build products people actually want to buy. Let's start with the first project. Simple wooden serving trays continue to perform extremely well because they combine function with home decor. Whether customers use them for breakfast in bed, coffee tables, candles, or seasonal decorations, they fit almost every decorating style. They require only a few boards, basic joinery, and can easily be customized with different stains, handles, or engraved family names. A tray that costs very little to build can often sell for several times the material cost simply because buyers see it as both practical and decorative. The second project is wooden monitor stands and laptop risers. With millions of people working from home, demand for simple desk accessories remains surprisingly strong. These projects are easy to batch produce, require minimal hardware, and can be built using hardwood offcuts that many woodworkers already have lying around. Customers appreciate products that improve their workspace while adding warmth and character that plastic accessories simply can't provide. The third project is personalized wooden welcome signs. Unlike floating shelves, which many homeowners already own, welcome signs are highly emotional purchases. Families love displaying their names, seasonal greetings, or custom messages near the front door. Because each piece is personalized, buyers focus less on comparing prices and more on getting something unique for their home. That allows you to charge significantly more than you could for a generic product. Project number 4 is wooden plant stands. Indoor plants have become incredibly popular over the last several years, and plant lovers are constantly looking for attractive ways to display them. Simple wooden stands require very little material, are beginner friendly, and can be built in different heights to encourage customers to buy multiple pieces instead of just one. Selling sets instead of individual stands can dramatically increase your average order value. Next are entryway organizers. These combine hooks, small shelves, and storage compartments into one compact product that helps organize keys, wallets, sunglasses, mail, and everyday essentials. Every homeowner understands the problem this product solves within seconds. That's exactly the kind of project that sells consistently because it improves daily life in a simple way. The sixth project is decorative wooden lanterns. These pieces are incredibly versatile because customers use them year-round. During fall, they display pumpkins. At Christmas, they hold candles or greenery. In spring, they feature flowers. During summer, they become porch decorations. One design can generate sales throughout every season simply by changing the decorations inside. Smart woodworkers love products that stay relevant all year long. Now let's talk about the project that surprises almost everyone. Rustic blanket ladders continue to outperform many traditional woodworking products despite their simple construction. They require only a handful of boards, very basic tools, and no complicated joinery. Customers don't buy them because they need a ladder. They buy them because they instantly make a room feel warmer and more inviting. Interior designers frequently use them to display blankets, towels, quilts, or seasonal decorations, making them an attractive purchase for homeowners looking to refresh a room without spending thousands on renovations. Here's something many successful woodworking businesses understand: they don't chase complicated projects, they chase repeatable projects. Instead of spending 3 days building one expensive piece of furniture, they spend the same amount of time producing several smaller products that sell quickly and consistently. Batch production reduces waste, saves time, and makes pricing much more predictable. Another mistake many beginners make is ignoring customization. Adding a family name, a meaningful date, or a simple engraved quote can instantly increase the perceived value of a product without adding much extra work. Customers love buying something that feels personal, especially when they're shopping for gifts. Presentation also matters more than most people realize. Two identical products can sell at completely different prices simply because one has better photographs, cleaner finishing, and more attractive packaging. Buyers often judge craftsmanship long before they ever touch the product. If you're serious about turning woodworking into a profitable side hustle, don't focus on building what impresses other woodworkers. Focus on building what solves real problems for real customers. That's where consistent sales begin. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these 7 projects would you build first? And have you found another product that's selling even better than floating shelves in your area? Let everyone know in the comments because sharing ideas helps the entire woodworking community grow. And if you'd like access to thousands of proven woodworking plans that can help you build projects like these with detailed measurements, step-by-step instructions, and beginner-friendly guidance, check out the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, where I'll reveal even more woodworking projects that are making ordinary people extra income from their own garages.